Dear students, when we wake up early morning, so we can need the water. So when we go to the sleeping also, we can need to the water. And whatever you can see in the activities you can do to the from morning to till night also. So water is also one of the most important to all of us, is it? So water is one of the main play role in not only a biological play important role, and also we can be needed for the water for the various purposes, is it? So maybe in case you can use it in our water in the domestic purpose, maybe bathing, cooking, clothes washing, in industry, in agriculture, so whatever can we go. So anywhere should we go for that one. Water is one of the most important of all of us. So nowadays you can be seen in the various problems, you can be seen in the scarcity of the water, because one reason is rainfall is not uniform in our country. It is not uniform distribution in our country, so only we can be depend upon the monsoon season. That time only we can store the water. So today we have the various techniques also we can be implemented to the government also. So rainwater harvesting, check dams construction. So these are all also some of the water we can be seen. So in every year, March 28, we can be celebrate the water day also. So we can be awareness, create awareness in the public, use the water preciously, and also. So you know that in Earth should be have the 70%, we have the 73% we have to the water, but clean water. So ocean should be covered all the over, but the clean water or drinking water should be available only the 2% or the 1% at least. So they will be forming the rivers, lake, ponds, some of the glaciers. So like that we can be seen to that one. So not only depend upon these ponds and lakes also, we can be digging the well also. So that the bore wells and whatever water well we can be telling about that well. That water also we can be used for the today in agriculture and drinking water also. If you give to the any bore wells, we can be do that one. So up to the we can be 600 feet or 900 feet like that also we can take the water from the water. But some part of the our country also there will be fluoride content water is also one of the main problem, especially if you go to the Kola Ballari regions or if you go to the Pavara in our district only or in our state only, they will face some of these type of problems. So the fluoride content of the water is one of the main problem. So when we drink that water, so they will be some of the disease should be occurred to that one. They will do not clean the cloth, even clothes also. So it should be there affect the bones and also teeth. So today drinking water is also one of the main problem to all of us. It can be faced to that one. So water is also one of the main precious role. How should be the water should be formed, and what are the scarcity of the reason for the scarcity of the water? All this we can be study able to in this session. In your home also we can use the water should be judiciously, but if you take the plenty of water, it is good for your health, but do not waste or cannot be waste even the drop of water also. So for this awareness it can be created one in every year. We can be seeing the March 28 will be World Water Day. So now mass media should be also responsible for the awareness, create the awareness of the water. So we are not faced that one, but in case of where water should be the very less, or in case water distribution is not in our country, especially in the North Karnataka regions, or if you go to the Rajasthan, some type of that one, or you can be seen in the deforestation should be very high. So that one is the we can be saying the same various problem. So in case even 2 days or 3 days water is not come to our home, so that is the we should face the problem, is it? So today water is also one of the most important along with the food. It is the main play role in all the So how much water is available in our world? So nearly we have to tell you about the 71% of Earth's surface should be covered with water. So you know that. So it is also, you can be called as the hydrosphere also, you can be tell about the Earth. Is it? Because it should be consist of the 71% of the Earth's surface should be covered with water. Almost all the water should be Earth is contain the sea, oceans, river, lake, ice caps, and also groundwater and the atmosphere. These are some of the forms which should be formed in the water in the atmosphere. So most of water is not fit for the human consumption. The water is fit for using fresh water. So already taken only fresh water forms, river, lake, pond, or groundwater only we can be depend upon to the drinking purpose and also other agricultural activities we can use it. So seawater we cannot be used for the any purposes. So but we can be going to obtain the soil or various minerals we can obtain from the this soil water. So how should be the water should be formed in the earth? So water is on the earth have been maintained for the million of years by various processes by which we make water cycle. So you know that earth should be formed in the above 5 years, 5,000 years, billion years ago. So along that one, when the earth should be formed, so there is some of the fire fall you can be able to. So after that one, there is continuous huge amount of the rain should become, that should be the slowly it should be cooled down, then it should be become a water should be formed in this earth. And we can be seen in the up to 5,000 years or so, then the water should be maintained because of this water cycle. So water cycle means in the summer season the water should be evaporated from the various resources like a river, pond, lakes, they will be evaporated the water again after the condensation form. Again they will be formed to the cloud. So cloud will again in the rainy season they will be around bringing the water again in the earth. When water circulates through the water cycle, it will be found in all the three forms. So before it should be the liquid form in the earth, that is it can be as a liquid. So then it should be the form in the condensation form, that is it can be called as the solid. So again it can be seen in the gaseous at any given time somewhere of the earth. So water should be circulated through this water cycle found in all the three forms. So what are these three forms? Solid, liquid and gaseous form. And also this given to us where are the earth. In solid form means we can be observed the Himalayan regions, north and south poles we can be observed to the earth. There is a lot of snow we can be seen. This is in the form of the ice and sea. This is also present in the ice cap in the poles of the earth, that is north and south pole. Snow covered with some of the mountains and also glaciers we can be seen to. So these are the formation of the water. So liquid water means it is present in the oceans. So liquid means whatever it can be nowadays it will be used to the for drinking purpose. So that water should be present in the form of oceans, lakes, rivers, even in the underground water. So all this water also we can be depend upon to the is it even today agriculture is the most important to our country. We have to grow the various crops. So the water scarcity of water should be also there will be some farmers should be grow the two types of the crops also we can be seeing. So especially some of the crops should be depend on more amount of water. So that type of the crop should be also nowadays we can be grow to that one especially we can be seeing the rice. Is it? The gaseous form is the water vapor that is present in the air around us. So air around us is typically called as the humidity. That humidity means the water which can be formed in the gaseous form. This is called as the humidity. So it continuous cycling of water among which the three forms keep the total amount of water on the earth constant even the whole world is using it. So almost whole world is earth. Whatever in earth we have the various countries we have almost all should be dependent on this water. So for for continuous cycling of the water among these three forms, the total amount of water should be saved from the earth should be formed till now. So this is a picture of the water cycle. So see here. So in the ponds, lakes, rivers, whatever you can call it, the freshwater form. So they will be continuously evaporated in the summer season. After continuously will be condensation. So it should be formed. The evaporation means it should be go on to the atmosphere. They will be weighted. So they will be lost their weight. They will become a condensation. That is, you can call it the forming clouds. Again, this cloud should be formed due to thundering and lightning. They will be becoming again precipitation in the form of the rain should be formed in the precipitation. So after that one you can see in the earth should be also observe some amount of the water, that is called as the filtration. So after that one it is called as the forming the groundwater. So some of the water should be in the form of again you can see in the river, pond, lakes. Is it? So this is the one of the water cycle. You can be observed that when this water cycle should be maintained. The beginning of the earth should be formation. Now also we can see this one. So hence it should be the balance in the water in the nature. So water cycle means the summer season the water should be evaporated in the form of the clouds. So after in the form of the clouds they will be becoming clouds. They will bring the water in the precipitation form in the atmosphere. So again some amount of the water should be filtered. Filtration water should be in the form of river, lakes and ponds. So this is the brief explanation of the water cycle. So next one is groundwater. So what is the meaning of the groundwater? So groundwater is nothing but a large storage of water inside it. So groundwater means large amount of the water which is present in the inside the ground or inside the earth, that is you can call as the groundwater. So if we dig deeper and deeper below the earth, we will reach a level where all the space between particles of the soil and gaps between the rocks are filled with water. So when the store should be come when we borewells we can be able to drill that one, then we can observe the deeper and deeper we reach a level where all the space between the particles of the soil gap between the rocks. So the amount of water should be present in the between the gap of the rocks and also between the particles of the soil. So it is the filled with the water. So when the dig with water, then only we can be formation of the water. Then this is the groundwater. Water table means what? So water table means the upper limit of the layer is called water table. So upper limit of the water layer means so ground, pond, lakes, whatever it will be seen to that one. That is we can be called as the water table. The upper limit of the layer which is you can be called as the water table. It should be vary from the place to place. So sometimes it should be the very moist means it is the water table should be good, but sometimes it should be the very dry areas where the water table is not good. It should be vary from the place to place because of the geographical area should be is not same in the world also. It may be even change at a given place. The water found below the water table is called groundwater. So what is the meaning of the groundwater? So the water found below the water table, then it can be called as the water table. So here groundwater means it should be formed in the when the rain should be come. So when the rain should be come, we can be complete water should not be formed in the only water river, ponds, lakes. So some amount of the water should be absorbed from the rainwater also. So rainwater and water other resources such as rivers, ponds seep through the soil. So it should be absorbed. So rivers and lakes after they will be completed filled, then what happens? They will be absorb some amount of the water in the soil and fills the empty space and crack deep below absorb the water. So because the groundwater level water we used to that water should be also depleted. Hence, when the pond and river should be the completely filled, they will see the some amount of the water through the soil and fills the empty space and crack below the ground. So the process of seeping of water. So seeping means absorbing. So absorbing of water into the ground is called infiltration. So what is the meaning of the infiltration? It is the process of the seeping of water. So seeping means complete absorbing of water into the ground. That is referred as the infiltration process. The groundwater is also stored between the layers of hard rock and below the water table is called aquifer. Aquifer means, so already know that the groundwater should be stored between the two stones. So groundwater stored between the layer of the hard stones. So below the water table, that is we can refer as the aquifer. So it should be present in the hard stone, but below that region or below that water table we can refer as the aquifer. So this is the how should be the water should be seepage or absorbed in the ground level. So see here, the groundwater we can use it in the form of the hand pumps or sometimes we can use to the motors. Is it borewell or we can use to the motor hand pump that we can use it for that one. So water table means it is now completely seepage or absorbed in the ground. So then it should be go to the stream or lake. So this is we can refer as the aquifer. So aquifer means here in the ground regions, so there is some of the hard stones or some of the hard rocks which are present in the below the earth surface. So that should be the water should be flowing continuously in the below this ground. This water we can be used in the form of the hand pumps. Again, some of the borewells water, so we can be used for the domestic purpose, agriculture purpose, or industrial purpose. Also we can be used to that one. So this is the picture of the groundwater. How should be the obtained to that one. So depletion of water table. So why it should be the depleted? So there is a various reasons are behind to the this depletion of water. So one is population, next another one is the increase in the demand of the water in the agriculture, industrial purposes, urbanization. So also some of the geographical area which is not taken to the along the year they do not have enough water to supply that one. Then not you can see in the this type of the shortage of water. So water table may go down if the water is not sufficiently replenished. So water table means in nature we can be only continuously used, but it cannot be replenished. So replenishment means what? So when the rainwater should be come, they will be completely seepage or should be absorbed, then only we can be water table should be the good. But what happened? The rain should be rainwater should be the very less, but our dependence should be the more. Hence, it should be the water table should be the not sufficient to the replenished. Hence, we can face this type of the problem. So it should be always because of the main reason is the population explanation. That is, we can refer as the increasing population. So before freedom or independent, we have to know only the 25 to 30 million people. So now we have to have 150 crore people can be seen in our country. So almost, if you take the whole earth or whole world, we can be seen to the different. But today's population should be the very rapidly increases. So very much we are also independent and also they can be given to the all the resources visited. So second one is industries, then decrease the seepage area of the rainwater. So whatever we can be seeing in the today's earth, we can be seen to the ground. So you can construction should be the very high because of the you can be the land should be can be converted into site and again it can be used as the home or for our purpose it can be used to the construction. Construction level should be can be whatever forest area is there that should be constructed to the human being. Yes, there is a no space for the absorption of the water also. That is also one of the creation of the this water and agricultural activities. So now agricultural activities should be no more than what happened. The amount of the water should be also needed to the all the crops. So in the year we grow to the one crop instead of the year we grow in the two crops. That is also we can be face this problem. So then we can be seeing the deforestation. So deforestation is one of the main important role because we can be whatever we can be seen in the forest area, we should be depleted for the various reasons for the stakeholders like industrial purpose and also decorative purpose, construction purpose, railway and also road construction. These are all reasons we can be the cutting of the these tree also. That is also one of the main reason for that one. And also scanty rainfall. So the rainfall falling pattern should be also changes nowadays also. So that is also one of the main reason for the depletion of the water level. So water level should be go on because of one is increasing population, industrial activities, decreasing the seepage of area of the seepage of rainwater, lot of agricultural activities, deforestation and also scanty rainfall. These are all responsible for the depletion of the water table. So one by one we can be discussing about that one. So first of all is increasing population. So increasing population is also one of the main reason for the water should be scarce. So because increasing population means it should be create a demand for the construction of house. Is it? So when the individual should be becoming adult again, they will also need for the all the things. Is it? So then what happened? It should be naturally increase the create the demand for the construction of house, shop, offices, roads, and building. So it means urbanization, or it can be called as the urbanization or standard. We can be seen in the standard life should be also increases. Is it? So that is the main problem we can be seen to that one. So next, secondly, they will decrease the open area like a park and playground. So when we construct this park or playground also we can be converted into again. You can be seen in the people should be construct the area we have in the houses, is it? This in turn decrease the seepage of the rainwater into the ground. So when the population should be population explosion should be increases. So what happened? When agricultural land should be also we can be consumed that one, and forest area also we can be consumed that one. So then what happened? It should be naturally the seepage of water should be go on decreasing. So when the water should not be absorbed, so then what happens? The groundwater should be also declined to then. So when the rainwater should be also come, there will be that waste they will be go to the wastes because of the they will be continuously joined to the ocean. Is it? That water cannot be used for the properly. A huge amount of the water is needed for the construction work and all the water is drawn from the ground. So today we can be saying one of the main intention or main uses of the water is the construction of houses. So if you construct any houses, they needed with a lot of water. So again the people should be dependent upon to this groundwater. So if you do to the continuous way, it means you can be faced a lot of problems in the next generation also. Hence we can be awareness created to that one. Where how much of water that much water should be can be due to that one, and also we can be let's save the water also. So second point, increasing industries. So this is also one of the main reasons So water is used by all the industries. If you take the any industry, maybe iron or it can be taken under any extraction of the metals, aluminium oxide it can be taken down, or it can be taken down the fertilizers preparation, plastic. So that all industries they can be taken upon the water. So if you observe any industry, they will be almost where the water should be the plenty, then only they will be the started to that industries. Is it? So in our country, we have the Kolkata region or whatever industries are there built, there will be the sufficient of water becomes to that one. So because there is a very high temperature, they can be cooled down to that one. That water again they can be use that one. That wastewater should be easily they can be flow into the that pond or lake rivers easily. Hence you can be seen in this industries, and also they will also polluted the water also. They only not use the water and also they will be the polluted the water also. That is also one of the main problem we can be seen to that one. Almost everything we can use near water somewhere in the production process. So whatever you can be seen the production process is there, that should almost all depend upon this water. The number of industries should be increasing day by day. So understand we are development country we will develop. Is it? So because agriculture should be less and also development of the industry should be high. So that is also one of the main problem of the can be seen the scarcity of water. And also it is used by the most of industries drawn from the not only a pond like we can depend upon it, and also they can be the underground water also they can be needed to. So these are the some of the how should be the water should be depletion in our daily life. So yesterday's prayer we can be discuss about the importance of water and what is the reasons behind the water should be depleted in the day-to-day life. So water cycle and also groundwater should be take form. So next class we can be discuss about the population increasing already we can be discussed that much. So next class urbanization, industrialization, how should we they contribute the water depletion, all these